In today's video, we are going to learn subtraction easy methods with two-digit numbers.
So in the video of subtraction part 1, we told that there is 3 methods. The methods are lines, number lines and fingers. So let's move on to the first example.
Before we get into the video, please like, share, comment
And subscribe to our channel and to the notification bell icon so you'll notify every time we post a new video. Let's move on to the first example, that is 12 minus 8. Now we are using lines. 12 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 8 means we should remove 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many lines are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4. 12 minus 8 equals to 4.
So now let's move on to the second example. The second example is 10 minus 3. 10 fingers up. 3 means we have to remove 3. 1, 2, 3. How many fingers are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7. 10 minus 3 equals to 7.
Let's move on to the third example. The third example is 25 minus 15. Now we are using the number line. In the last video, we already know what is a number line. Here there is 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. In every unit, there is 5 numbers. 15. 15 means we should take 15 numbers back. 5, 10, 15. So the answer is 10. 25 minus 15 equals to 10.
So now let's move on to the fourth example, that is 16 minus 11. So again we are using here the number line. From 0 to 16. 11 means we have to take 11 numbers back from 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the answer is 5. 5. 16 minus 11 equals to 5.
Let's move on to the fifth example. The fifth example is 22 minus 11. First we should subtract 1's place value and we should move to the 10's place value. In the 1's place there is 2 minus 1. 2 lines and we should remove 1 line. So how many lines are left? 1. We should write 1 in the 1's place. In the 10's place there is again 2 minus 1. 2 lines and we should remove 1 line. So how many lines are left? 1. So we should write 1 in the 10's place. 22 minus 11 equals to 11. Now let's move on to the sixth example. The sixth example is 37 minus 25. In the 1's place there is 7 minus 5. 7 fingers up. 5 means we should remove 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many fingers are left? 1, 2. So the answer is 2. In the 10's place there is 3 minus 2. 3 fingers up. 2 means we should remove 2. 1, 2. We should write 1 in the 10's place. 37 minus 25 equals to 12.
So now let's move on to the seventh example. The seventh example is 56 minus 24. So in the 1's place we have 6 minus 4. So let's use lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 means we have to cut 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many lines are left? 1, 2. So we have to write 2 in the 1's place. 2. So now in the 10's place we have 5 minus 2. 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 means we have to cut 2 lines. 1, 2. So how many lines are left? 1, 2, 3. So we have to write 3 in the 10's place. So 56 minus 24 equals to 32. So now let's move on to the 8th example, that is 98 minus 82. So in the ones place we have 8 minus 2. 8 fingers up, 2 means we have to remove 2. 1, 2. So how many fingers are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have to write 6 in the ones place. So in the tens place we have 9 minus 8. So 9 fingers up, 8 means we have to remove 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many fingers left? Is 1. So we have to write 1 in the tens place. So 98 minus 82 is equals to 16. So now let's move on to the 9th example, that is 36 minus 17. So in the ones place we have 6 minus 7. We can't subtract them because 6 is the smaller number than 7. So then we have to borrow from tens place to ones place. And we can see in the second example also that there is 3 minus 7. We can't subtract there also because 3 is a smaller number than 7. So coming back to the example, we have to borrow from here to here, and the 3 becomes 2 and the 6 became 16. So after 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10 and 9. So we have to write 9 in the ones place. And in the tens place we have 2 minus 1. So 2 fingers up, after 2 fingers up and 1 have to go. So how many fingers left? Is equals to 1. So we have to write 1 in the tens place. So 36 minus 17 is equals to 19. So now let's move on to the 10th example, that is 83 minus 27. So in the ones place we have 3 minus 7. So we can't subtract, so we are taking borrow. 8, 2, 3. So 3 becomes 13 and 8 becomes 7. So 13 after 7. So after 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So we have to write 6 in the ones place. And in tens place we have 7 minus 2. So 7 fingers up, 2 means we have to remove 2. 1, 2. So how many fingers left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to write 5 in the tens place. So 83 minus 27 is equals to 56.
Now let's move on to the 11th example, that is 68 minus 29. In the ones place there is 8 minus 9. So it cannot be subtracted. So we should borrow from the tens place, and 6 will be 5 and 8 will be 18. So 18 minus 9.
18 minus 9.
17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. So we should write 9 in the ones place. So 5 minus 2. 5 fingers up, 2 means we should subtract 2. 1, 2. So how many fingers are left? 1, 2, 3. So we should write 3 in the tens place. 68 minus 29 equals to 39. So in the 12th example there is 75 minus 38. In the ones place there is 5 minus 8. It can be subtracted. 8. So we should borrow from the tens place. And 5 will become 15 and 7 will be 6. 15 minus 8. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So we should write 7 in the ones place and 6 minus 3. 6 fingers up and 3 means we should subtract 3. 1, 2, 3. So how many fingers are left? 1, 2, 3. So we should write 3 in the tens place. 75 minus 38 equals to 37.
So we hope you like this video
And also understand this subtraction easy tricks.
So catch you on the next video.
Bye.